Hi, my name is Stefan Keim. I live in San Jose with my family of 3, and we chose Bertet Builders a couple of months ago to renovate our hallway, bathroom, and master bedroom. When we started the project, we met with a number of contractors. We learned a lot. We learned a lot of what we want. We chose Bertet Builders because they gave us the confidence that we have somebody that can help us with the project beginning to the end. So from the start, we felt at home with Bertet Builders, with Dylan, with Manuel, and with Dylan's dad. There was never information lost. There was always somebody I could call. And what I liked was that in the beginning, Dylan helped us a lot with the design, and we needed a lot of help to make the best out of the room. And once the handover happened to Manuel, he managed everything for us. There was never a day when we didn't know where they are, what is happening today, whether we need to prepare something for later. It was a great experience from beginning to end. Over the years, we did a number of projects. And as we all know, there were changes in the middle and requires some flexibility. At no point of time, we couldn't find a solution with either Dylan, Manuel, or his dad. They helped us with everything. The permit didn't come, or we needed another week to get materials in. It was always great communication, and at the end, the project was done in a very short period of time. If you need somebody that can manage a project from beginning to end, you want to work with a family business and make sure that everything works and work with a design that could make the best out of a room, I can only recommend Bertet Builders. It's a family business and it was great to work with.
Okay, Stefan, thank you for choosing Bertet Builders.
Thank you, Dylan.